Hey guys, this is driving snow in Minnesota. As you can watch it, there's too much snow. It could be like 7 inches. Could be like 7 inches right now. Some car kind of like stuck somewhere. Right, it's crazy driving here. You must be careful because some of the drivers may be new and driving here. So guys, this is oh my gosh, can't see the car outside. Oh my gosh. Hey, this is a very bad snow, right? Yeah, as you can see, most people they don't know how to drive snow a little bit, but I may say that they are trying because you go slow, slow, and make sure you control your car. Don't speed up because you speed up, the car will spin. Yes. So what you know, just subscribe my channel, please, and I'll update more videos. All right. Thank you very much.